In this video, you will learn how to construct a confidence interval for proportions of a single population with OPENSTAT. This is the result that we want. In using OPENSTAT, go to Analysis, go to Comparison, go to Single Sample Test, click on Sample Proportion, put in the sample proportion value, sample size, and on the population parameter box you also have to put in the sample proportion. Click on Continue. This is the result. This example will show you how to get confidence interval for a single population mean. This is the result that we want. Go to Analysis, go to Comparison, Single Sample Test, select Sample Mean, write down the sample statistics. In this case, the sample mean is 16 gram. Sample size is 20. Standard deviation 2. And what we want is a 99% confidence interval. Put here 99%. And you have to also put in population's parameter as 16, the same as the sample statistics. Click in OK, which is the result that you get, which is exactly the same as this one over here. This is an example of how to construct a confidence interval for the population's variance. Here, you are to construct a 99% confidence interval for the population variance if the sample variance for the given data of size 18 and the variance for the sample is 3069.16. Go to Analysis, go to Comparison, Single Sample Test, go to Sample Variance. The sample statistics variance is 3069.16. Sample size is 18. Confidence interval is 99. You also have to put the population's parameter as 3069.16. Press Continue. That's the result that you get. In this example, you will learn how to construct a confidence interval for differences of proportions between two populations. This is the result that we want. With OPENSTAT, go to Analysis, go to Comparison, click on Test of two proportions, fill in the sample size and the frequency. Here, you can fill in the sample size as 930, frequency is 586, next sample size is 1250, frequency is 662. You want to construct a 95% confidence interval. Confidence interval here must be 95. Continue. This is the result that we get. This is an example of how to construct a confidence interval for the differences between two population means. This is the result that we want. With OPENSTAT, go to Analysis, go to Comparisons, click on Test of two means, put in all the sample values. Sample mean is 3.5. Standard deviation is 0.31. Sample size is 14. Next sample mean is 4.3. Sample standard deviation is 0.74. sample size is 20. We want a 95% confidence interval. Check on the percent confidence interval box. It is 95. Click on continue. That's the result. Since the population variance is not equal, look at the assuming unequal variances. Find the confidence interval under assuming unequal variances, which is exactly the value over here. This is an example of how to construct a confidence interval for the difference of mean between paired data. In this example, we are to construct a 95% confidence interval for the population mean difference. This is a paired data. Previously, this is your answer. So we want to get to this result. From OPENSTAT, go to analysis, go to comparison, go to test of two means. Here, choose values in the data grid. Then choose correlated scores. Choose the variable 1 and variable 2. Set in the 95% confidence interval in the percent confidence interval box. Press in continue. This is the answer that you get.